Hey, good evening, and welcome to New Technology number 5. I hope you're still with me. Hope you're still awake, even. Okay. Okay, news articles for youngsters, news articles for us teachers, Dropbox, and Kahoot. Now, the one thing I saw was missing from my list is staff development. Lifelong adventure, really, learning, and I learn every day. I'm sure you'll agree. Okay, staff development org. Okay, now professional development. This is great. I love professional development, and I'd love to go on far more courses. But for now, it's going to have to be internet based. These are articles. Now, I had a look at a few of these. Basically, there's no sign up, not even a website really, not even an email. Sorry. So you've got adult technology, learning, creating. These are actual articles. Now I've clicked on a few of these. You can see, let's look at this one, the first one, creating learning. It's got a lot of information, journal articles, and some of them further down. Schools expectancy, solid return, opinions, facts, you name it, it's there. Less training, more learning. This is great. Choose your weapon, really. There's everything here. Let's go back, see if we can go down. Access and staff, technology, competence, professional development, and that's a huge part of our jobs, and it's an ongoing part of our jobs. It's got everything, really. It's got data on some of them further down, or data. Sorry, London accent coming through there. Coaching for a change, you name it's got everything. I stopped after a few. I mean, I've not even touched the surface here. I'm sorry, the mosque down the road is singing, so if you can hear that, I apologise. It's quite nice actually, so I don't mind. It's lovely. Yeah, I've just skimmed the surface of that. I'll be here all night if I go through all of this, but it is definitely worth a look if you get a chance. Okay, but I'm going to waffle and ramble on here. Right, ITSE standards. Let's have a look. I chose initially 2E. 2E or not 2E? Okay, share lessons learned, best practices, challenges, and the impact of learning with technology. Seems to fit in there pretty well. And finally, 5D, develop the skills needed to navigate change, advance systems, and promote a mindset of continuous improvement, which, yeah, technology can help us because we're always learning, lifelong learners. Okay, I hope you're not asleep here, and thanks very much indeed for watching my 5 new technologies. And yeah, I've learned a lot, really. I've enjoyed it. I was dreading it a little bit, but I've actually really enjoyed it. So sorry to bore you, and take care, guys. See you soon.